There are many air conditioner products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air conditioners from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Vreemi Air Conditioner, rating 4.3. Beat the heat, even without a central AC in your home or office, with the Vreemi 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, with heat function, 10,400 BTU Nudo. This appliance is best suited for rooms between 400-450 square feet. Includes heat function, features cool, fan, dry, and sleep modes for maximum flexibility. It can also be used as a portable heater during colder times of the year. Note: the unit's exhaust vents to a standard window with a horizontal opening. We recommend cleaning the appliance's removable filter weekly to ensure consistent cooling performance. Number 4. Frigidaire Air Conditioner, rating 4.3. Enjoy more cooling flexibility with 2 different fan speeds, plus dehumidifying dry mode, to keep your room cool and comfortable, while removing excess moisture from the air. Controller type: remote control. Wattage: 970 watts. Control type: electronic. Capture dust from the air and keep your dehumidifier working efficiently with our easy-to-clean washable filter. Easily move this compact, lightweight air conditioner from room to room using caster wheels, providing cool air when and where you need it. Remote control: precisely control the temperature and fan speed from across the room. Number 3. GE Electronic Air Conditioner, rating 4.4. Designed to efficiently cool rooms up to 250 sq feet. Easy install kit included, so you can start cooling right away. Controller type: remote control. Self-timer duration: 24 hours. This AC unit is the right size for delivering 6,000 BTU cooling capacity to smaller areas like bedrooms, studio apartments, guest rooms, and home offices. Keep the cool air flowing with minimal disruption, ideal for nighttime use in bedrooms. Energy efficient with 3 cooling modes and 3 fan speeds to provide flexible and optimal room temperature. Digital controls will make it easy to adjust cooling to your comfort. Number 2. Windowless Air Conditioner, rating 4.6. Balco Evaporative Air Cooler has a top-filling, large water tank with a total capacity of 8 gallons that can cool your room or garage for up to 10 hours. The top-fill design means no more bending down to refill, providing increased safety and convenience, particularly for the elderly and pregnant women. This windowless swamp cooler air conditioner includes a remote control that works from up to 16.4 feet away, enabling convenient adjustments to the fan settings while you're relaxing on the couch or in bed. Our windowless room air conditioner's control panel is elegantly designed, featuring intuitive icons and status displays, which simplifies its operation. This makes it user-friendly for both the elderly and children. Number 1. Dr. Prepare Air Conditioner, rating 4.8. With Wi-Fi app control, Dr. Prepare's portable air conditioner lets you change the temperature and mode settings from anywhere and at any time. Whether you're on your way back home and want to pre-cool the room, or you're in bed and don't want to get up to turn off the air conditioner, you can do it effortlessly using the app. This portable air conditioner features 4 easy roll casters and 2 side handles for easy room-to-room movement. The removable, washable, and reusable mesh ensures clean and healthy cooling air by protecting your family from dust and pet dander. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.